my name is Tequila. Thank you for coming to my channel. Today we are going to be doing French braids knotless. French knotless braids. So they're gonna be like braids and then curls pretty much. So today is a nice video for y'all. So I'm gonna be using Model Hair short, and then I'm gonna be using this lovely package here that it's going to be in the description down below basically. And yeah, I'm gonna show you this beautiful hair. I think it's wonderful. The ratings are nice, and yeah, it's gonna get in my braids. So thank you so much for watching, and let's get into the video. Right here, I am just dividing my hair into 3 sections, and then I am going to braid twice, and then add model hair that time in between my index and thumb, and then I'm going to braid twice again, and I'm gonna add another piece of model hair, which is regular short braiding hair. After I braid twice again, I am going to add the hair that's in the link of my description, which is a company that sent me their hair, and it's beautiful French end curls to put in your braids. So you keep braiding down, and then once you get to the part where you want your curls to start, you're gonna stop braiding, and you're going to use a single piece of the hair and knot it like where you want it to stop, and then the rest of the hair will be curly. And yeah, right here I'm just repeating the same steps that I just did, and hopefully it's a good view. Hopefully you like the video. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah. Never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. I got something that I can lend you. A peace of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pen Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me?